Hello again, everybody. We're going to do some more Microsoft Word projects here. First of all, here's a blank Word document. To do that, you'll go to File and New and Blank Document. Now, there's nothing on this page. I want to put some words there very quickly. And before I do that, I'm going to change the size over here on the Home tab, and the size and the font. So I'll make it Arial and I'll make it very large so you can see on this video. Now I'm going to type equal, RAND, open brackets and close brackets, and then I'm going to press enter. Magic happens because we now have got some paragraphs, and in these paragraphs we're going to look at them. It gives me information on what I can do with Word. We can actually insert video. So if you want to put video, a link to a video on your document, let's say I want to put it over here. So I click there and I press enter. I can embed code for a video that I want to add. So to do that, I'm going to go to insert, and there's online video, and this is Office 365. So I'm going to click on that, and then you can copy the URL for your video and paste it in here. Now let's go and find a video that we want to paste in our Word document. So I'm just going to go to the YouTube channel quickly, our YouTube channel. Yeah, it looks like it's taking a while. Right, so here's the IT and Delphi for School YouTube channel, where you can find a whole lot of other extra videos. What I'm going to do is look for the grade 9 lesson 1. Now if I want to paste this video, the link to this video, into my Word document, I've got to click over here. Do you see this title bar right there? You can click and Control A, or if you're not in that, if you're out of it, you just go and click inside there and it selects automatically by itself. But basically if you haven't clicked inside there, then you just highlight it, Control C, Control, hold the Control key, press the letter C to copy. Then we go to our Word document, which is at the bottom here, and then I can go and Control V, hold the Control key and press the letter V to paste. So there's a link to the YouTube channel, to the video that I want to have available in this Word document. All I need to do is hold Control key and click, and should navigate. It will open my browser window and open the video. Okay, can you see it's going to open it now? So that is how you can insert video links into your Word document. Right, there's another way to actually insert a video in to your document. You would then put in a link over here, and you can find a link that you want, insert link, and you have this button, this window, sorry, this window where you can find different links. You can have an existing web page link, place in this document, in other words another place further down, or you can go and put in an email address here. But if you put in here existing file or web page, then you have to go to browse web page, obviously is not as easy to do, but pasting the link right here would be your option. And there you have the same link again. But it was much easier to click that online video button. But if you don't have that online video, you would go to this and insert link and then just paste it. Make sure you choose the right button over there and paste it in there. But this one gives us a nice option of having what text to display. Lesson 1, grade 9, which is the title of the video. And I click OK. And can you see? There is my link now. It now looks neater. If I want to go and edit this one, well, I'm just going to go and do it again. Text to display. No, I don't. You can't. What I'm going to do is delete it rather, and then go and change the video, the heading. So I'll go to insert and link, and then paste my URL. Control V to paste the URL there. It's the same thing. And then over here, I'm going to say video lesson 1, and click OK. And there it is. You just change the name so it looks neater. Right, so that is that, and there's a whole lot of other things that we can do for your Word document. But before we do any more of that, we're going to open another new Word document. So go to File and New. I'm going to click on New, and then we see something rather interesting. We have a whole lot of templates. So we can use any of these templates to make our own documents, like any business templates, and it's going online and searching for thousands of online templates. So you do need to have access to the internet. Can you see I've got categories here? We've got cards, and there's thousands of online cards that people have created already, and you can create your own template too. So we have cards. So if you want to make a card for somebody, you can choose one of these templates here. Little name tags, etc., tickets, lots of things we can do there. We also have flyers. If you want to design a flyer for school, you can go over here and you can see one that you might want to use, and you can change it, modify it as you wish, for advertising anything. And we have letters, if you want to write certain types of letters to somebody. These would be, there's a polished cover there, there's a different covers that you can use. You can put in pictures on them. Very professional looking letters, and these have been designed, these templates have been designed by thousands of people all over the world. You're basically going online and downloading templates that other people have designed. Then we have resumes and cover letters and holidays, so you can go and play with those. Now, what are we going to do is oh yeah, I want to show you the calendar. So you can make your own calendar. You can create your calendar, and it will automatically give this year's calendar right there. Now, if I enable content, select a month you want and year to create the calendar. Alright, February. So now I've got February has been created. To show different dates, go to the calendar tab and choose select new dates, or press Shift Alt. Okay. Right, so there is a calendar, there's a calendar tab right there. Okay. And this is 1 month's calendar. So if you want to print out this one, you can change colors, etc., to whatever you wish. Although that's not working, is it? No. Themes. Let's see if themes is going to make a difference. It does make a slight difference, but not quite. Anyway, you can play around with that. So that's one thing. Then that's another thing that Word can do. Let's go and do something else. File, New, I'll make another blank document, but this time I'm going to use, well, we know we have all these other wonderful things to do, but I want to see what this Take a Tour actually does. If you click on Take a Tour, this is Office 365, you click on Create, it applies to Word 2016. Right, so we're going to read through this document. They've got a link to a video here, Welcome to Word, you can watch. So this was created for you to learn how to use Word. It says here, Word automatically checks spelling and grammar and marks misspelled words with red squiggly underline, and grammatical glitches get a blue double line. So we're going to put our cursor at the end of the paragraph, of this paragraph. This is a paragraph. How do I know it's a paragraph? If I click my backward P over there, show hide, can you see there's a backward P that comes up here? So I'm going to untick it because I want to be able to see. So it said write a sentence with some spelling or grammatical errors and press enter to finish the paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to press enter here. Now we're in a new paragraph. I'm going to say Joe is, and I'm going to misspell Joe is a, I want to say good boy, and if I press enter, now that you see there's a grammar error because I've got the wrong word here. That was actually supposed to be misspelled. Let's write good with G-O-E-D. Joe is a good boy, and you see immediately there's a spelling mistake. So all you need to do is click on the word, right click the text, or we can press F7 on the keyboard. It's giving us instructions, and then choose a suggested word. It says here spelling. We're going to click on spelling there, and you'll see there's a word that they've suggested being good, so we click on that, and there we are. Right, let's go and have a look what happened to my, it actually spell checked the whole document, but we're not going to go through the whole document. Right, so there's a grammar error there, and that means I must put a full stop, so I'm going to click on that one, and there it went and added the full stop for me. So there's your spelling and grammar. So you can right click text that's marked with underlines or press F7. So we can even right click, and then you'll see the words that you must use to fix it, or if you press F7. So that's one thing. Right, we can count words as well. Here is a status bar here. Oh, sorry, right over there at the bottom. Right at the bottom there where it says page 2 of 8. Can you see it says the number of words? So it automatically counts the words. 1004 words it says. Right, now the saving for later. When you save a document in OneDrive, you're going to be able to open it anywhere. So now OneDrive means that you're saving it on the internet somewhere. Okay. We don't normally want to do that, but if you know how to get hold of your OneDrive somewhere else, you've got to log in to your Office program with the same username and password, then you'll be able to see it in OneDrive. Otherwise, save it into a place that you know. Sorry. Now, all right, sharing. Okay, we're not going to talk about sharing in OneDrive. We've already talked about these online pictures. Now, formatting text. To format text, select it and then select a button in the font or paragraph area on the Home tab. The Home tab is right over here. So we're going to select this text here, and we're going to choose the formatting option so that the text is an example of the formatting it's described. So I'm going to make it bold. So I'm going to click B for bold. To make this text italic, I'm going to highlight it and click I for italic. This one I want to highlight it, so I'm going to click on it. And by the way, if you want to just click on one word, you just double click. If you double click one word, you're selecting the word. Double click will select the word. It's a quick way to select one word. Just double click wherever the word is. Double click and then let's highlight it. There it is. Font color. Now what if I want to select more than one word? So I double click this one. Okay, well, we have to do the drag. Sorry. No, we highlight that one and we click A for that red color. So there is your color of your font. Highlight this word and click the bullets button, and then we have highlight this one and click the numbering button, which is right there. Right. So when you select whole words, you'll get a little toolbar. It's everything, all of this that you see on this like shortcut bar. It's a pop-up toolbar. You'll also have on the main toolbar over there. So it's just a quick way to find items. Right, Control B and Control L. If you selected the whole words, okay, do you know the word pop-up? Okay, between that and the keyboard shortcuts like Control B. So if I was in a different tab and I went to Control and B on the keyboard, oh, Control B will make it bold, that's right. And Control I will make it italic. So if I want to make this word bold, I highlight it, and Control B will make it bold. If I want this word formatting to be italic, then Control I will make it italic. Right, heading styles. Right, we're going to provide a style to this heading. So I'm going to put my mouse pointer anywhere in this heading here, and then on the home tab, which is there, I'm going to find styles, and I'm going to go to heading 1. Where's heading 1? There it is. So it basically changes it. We didn't select anything, well, I just clicked there and went to heading 1. There's other headings that you can use. Over here we have that heading style, we have emphasis style, and in fact that just put it on 1. So I'm going to highlight it and go to heading 1, and it doesn't look like it's really made a change, but there it is. But you have to highlight it. So I've got strong heading, emphasis, title, and heading 1 is there. But of course the color stays red because we used red with that emphasis style. Right, instant makeover. Right, themes let you completely change the look of your document. I'm just going to hide this. How do we hide this window here on the right hand side? Let's go click the X and it's gone. So we're going to give our document an instant makeover. So styles, sets and themes let you completely change the look of your document. So we're going to try this. On the design tab we'll find themes, design tab, and then you'll have themes. Click on that and choose a theme from any one of these. Okay, fine, I've chosen a theme, and guess what's happened? The whole document has changed to like with a yellow green highlighting feature. The whole document, the theme applies to the whole document, and here, let's go back to this, select any theme and click apply. Well, what did I do? I just clicked on any theme and there was no apply button. Apply. Let's go here. Alright, so there we go, and that is now a different theme. Okay, so Remember, this is a template that we're just playing with at the moment. So for fun, if you want to do find and replace, Control H and use find and replace to replace instances of try it with I tried it. So select the picture here, go to, oh no, that's wrap text. Okay, so let's highlight this. Okay, and I'm going to say Control H, and then we're going to type in find. We've got to find and replace. I'm going to type the words try it with a capital T and it. And I want to replace it with I tried it. Alright, so then I'm going to click on replace all, and as you can see, it made a replacement, but it was only supposed to make a replacement. I was actually trying to replace in the whole document, and I clicked on replace all. No, close. So it basically did the whole document, even though I only highlighted one. So wherever said I try it, I've put in I tried it. So the whole document has been replaced with I tried it. Now, how do you find and replace without clicking Control H? So let's do that. Let's find the menu option for it. Okay, now it is here on the Home tab, and you'll see find, and then you'll see replace. But if you click replace, then you'll get this window over here. Now this more button allows you to basically replace words. Like for instance, if I want to look for I tried it and I want to replace it with the same words, but I want it to be formatted all nicely, and this word must be formatted. Let's say we want to make it a larger font. So I'll go to the font and I'm going to choose a larger size and click OK. And then I click on replace all. Take note, it's going to find all of these. I tried it. If I click on replace all, then it's going to replace all of them. If I say find next, you can choose which ones you want to replace. So just click find next. Okay, fine, we'll replace that one. We'll replace that one. Okay, fine. I'm allowing it to replace all of these. It looks like the font doesn't try. Does the font actually change? It is already 14. The font is already 14, so I'm actually being silly here. Okay, the font was already 14 and I changed it to font 14. So what we need to do is go back again and do it again, but this time change the font to something larger. So it's more effective, so we can actually see it. And let's change the font name to something else. Okay, Jokerman 18, and I'm just going to click on replace. Oh, oops, and I didn't try it. Oh, because it's looking for the format of font here. Find what? Find I tried it with a particular font. It's looking for that font. It only is going to replace I tried it if it has the font of Jokerman 18. But we don't want that. We wanted to change it to that font, Jokerman 18 points. In order to do that, we have to go and remove that font. So I'm going to go there and go to format, and no, I'll just go click no formatting. Can you see it's deleted? So I've clicked there and I clicked on the button no formatting, but over here I want to change the font. So for this one, I'm clicking in this box where it says replace with. I'm going to go to format and font. Now I'll find that Jokerman. If I want to find, I'll just type in the search window there it is, and 18, or let's make it 20, and then we click OK. I don't like this no color story, so I'm going to get onto the green and click OK. and then I'm going to click on replace all. So it made 14 replacements. So there it is. And then you just close this window. Right, so let's go back to where we were. Can you see I tried it, it has all been replaced. Okay, some of the pictures in the document are placed besides a paragraph of text. Try exploring text wrapping. So we want to wrap text and move the up down arrow keys to move between the options for a preview of results. Well, this is a picture here, and we're going to go to picture format and then wrap text, and if we go and move our arrows, okay, if I say tight, I say move the arrows, but basically, yeah, between the options for a preview. Oh, there's a preview of results. Format. This was the format one. Wrap text, and can you see? If I move between all of these, I can see the pictures. That picture is moving a little bit, and I'm not using arrow keys. So anyway, so there's your different wrap text. Right over here, getting help with Word. How do we get help with Word? So there's a tell me search box. Let's find our search box. All right, can't repeat. All right, fine. On the home tab, we want to get help. Go to the tell me what you want to do at the top of the window. Right, where's the tell me what you want to do? Show below more commands. Okay, it's not there. There's a search window over here. Microsoft Search. Ah, there we go. Tell me more. Okay, we can just go to help right there. Oh, there's watermark. So there's watermark straight off. If I click over here, and then we will see that we have different options to do. You can actually type in the search window. Right, I don't want to, oh, if I type training, oops, training, training. Okay, training, help to get Word help, training, show training, online training and learning content. So you can go online and go and see, well, let's just click on that button. And now it's going to open this help pane. It's using multiple panes, and here is videos for Word training. All at your fingertips. You don't have to go out of Word, you don't have to go on the internet. This document here has given you quite a lot of information already. So I just thought you might be interested in that. And we'll see you soon, and take care.